Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Artycraftysight. Today we are going to do something super fun. We are going to mix colors and discover what new shades we can create from just two colors at a time. So grab your colors and brushes. Let's get started. Here I'm going to use acrylic tubes. You can use whichever medium of colors you want. So let's start with a warm combo. Here I'm using red. You take a amount of very small, because when you try for the first time you don't need much color. And with red I'm going to use yellow color. I took a little bit of red and yellow. Now we are going to mix them together. Now it's a time to mix up. So what we are going to do, bit of red and a bit of yellow. Do you know which color we are going to get? See, now I'm mixing it. Ta-da! We have got orange color, a bright, cheerful color. Perfect for sunsets, flowers, and for fun backgrounds. So, you got it? You got orange color. Next up, blue. So, we are using here blue. Blue is a cool color. We are using blue. I'm going to mix blue with, guess the color? Yeah, green. So I'm taking here a bit of green color. Let's see what happens when we blend them. Yeah, blend it properly. Mixing. And here we have a beautiful can, depending on your ratio. It gives a fresh ocean like feel, great for nature or water themed paintings. Okay, it's a ocean color. We can call it as ocean green or ocean blue, or we can call it as teal color. Yeah, again, next I'm using one of the blue color, a classic mix, blue, and I'm mixing the blue with red color. These are primary colors, red and blue. And when we combine them, we are getting purple or violet color. Okay, it's rich and royal color. Some dramatic pieces or mystical pieces, you can use this. Here I used red color little bit extra, so I got the warm purple color. Next, red, and I'm going to use, guess what color? Yeah, green color. Sounds like Christmas, right? So let's mix them and see what color we are going to get. Mix up. Yes, it gives us a brown or neutral earth tone. It may not be flashy, but it's super useful in realistic painting like trees, soil, even skin tones. Okay, next, blue color. So again I'm using two primary colors here, blue and yellow. Yes, when we mix them we will get a beautiful nature color. Guess what? Yes, green, bright natural and a perfect color for leaves, landscapes. Okay, so the amount of colors, how much you use matters for the brightness of the color. So how beautiful color it is. Next again I'm using red color. Okay, with red I'm going to use a white color. You might be knowing if we use red and white, a little bit of red and more white color, when we use, we are getting a soft and sweet pink color, perfect for roses, cheeks, and cute crafts, and some of the anime pictures, right? Most of the girls, they like pink color, and it's very easy to create using red and white color. The amount of the red color should be according to the tone of the pink. If you need very light pink, you should use very bit of red color and more white color. So next is dark green and blue combination. We have already used these colors, but there I used light green. Here I'm using dark green. When we use dark green and blue, we will get little different colors in the same tone of teal. Okay, you try this for sea or trees and sceneries pictures can be used this color. So just look at all these beautiful colors we made from just a few basics. Color mixing is magical, right? Then you have to try this color mixing and comment below which color you have tried newly on your own, and you'd like me to try more combinations in the next video. Don't forget to mention it.